Good morning, everyone. We're in Vegas. Say hi, Tiger. We're in Las Vegas.
Chop.
So we are playing. What is this? Get it! Go, Luigi, go!
Two. Go two.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
For Christmas, Nathan got.
Hey,
Wait, what is this game?
Oh,
Tiger! Tiger! What in the world?
it's Christmas. Oh, okay. So cool.
So right now we are playing Super Mario All-Star. Isaac!
Okay.
I made this really funny face. Nathan, you got surgery, didn't
do I have
you?
5 lives? Yes, I do. Did you come out good?
Yeah.
I did not surgery. I don't know how to feel about this, Nathan. What do you like about? Do you like this filter? Look, I think you are a loser, guys.
Oh my gosh, Tiger, stop! Poor buddy.
Buddy, just smack him in the face.
Tiger!
Dinah, come here. Hey, kitty.
Dinah! She hissed at you.
Hi, baby. Come here. I won't hurt you.
Dinah, you are a diva. Dinah.